Hi, I am Arindam Mollik and you all are welcome to my channel Technical Ori. I also welcoming you on my C programming course. Our today's topic is enumerated data type. This is part 40. So, what is enumerated data types? Basically, enumerated data types is basically it is a user defined data type. Enumerated data type is a user defined data types in C language. So in C, the enumerated data type is a user defined data types. Now it is used to assign the names of the integral constants. It is used to assign, means we can assign the names with some constant value, which makes a program easy to read and maintain. How? I will explain on the by code. But for now, just keep in mind this enumerated data type is used for assigning the names to integral constants, which makes our program is easy for read as well as maintain. Okay. Now, keyword for enum used. Keyword we used for declare a enumeration means enumerated data type. Enumeration, use this keyword enum. Also, it is used for defining, means enum is for used for declare, same enum is used for enumeration. For declare as well as define, both cases we use this enum keyword. Now, variable also declared as enum type, means what is the variables are there, that is the type of as enum. That means for an I will show you as an example, but keep in mind that so what I try to say that what to learn from this slide, that enumerated data type is a user-defined data type in C language. It is used to assign the names to integral constants, which makes our program is more easy for reading as well as maintaining. Then keyword enum is used for declare, define, and enumeration. Okay. So enum keyword enum by enum or enum is used for declaring or as well as defining the enumeration. Next, variable declared as enum type. The type of the variable is enum. How to declare a enum? First, enum keyword, then enumeration name. What is the name of enumeration? Then this is a lots of identifier, means names. Some the names or the identifier are there. For an example, like enum colors. Enum colors. That means enum is a keyword. The name of this enumeration is colors. Yes. What is the value? Means what is the identifier? Red, blue, green, black, white, yellow, red. That. Now we also use that type def. What is type def? I will explain when I explain on my previous on structures. On that time I will explain what is type def. I will not explain in here what is type def, but basically so type def is same for generating a new data type for a existing data type, means from an existing data type generate a new data type. That is the thing. So we are using the type def. Now we use the type def keyword in the case of enumeration. How? Type def enum colors color. That means if there is a no type def, what is the meaning? Enum colors color means enum colors type variable is color. Now using type def, that means data type is enum colors. Okay, now this means color. So here what this is a variable. Now for using this type def, that means original data type is enum colors. Now this color color, this become a data type. So color, for color we are assigned the value white. Enum colors we also declared assigned as this. Enum colors, red equals to 1, blue equals to 2, green equals to 3, black equals to 4, white equals to 5, yellow 6, red 7, and like that. Okay? Now, there is a rules for assigning. Enumerated variables can hold the only declared value for the types. Enum colors color. That means what I try to say that enum's variable can hold. Then for an example, like this line. Enum colors red equals to 1, blue equals to 2, green equals to 3, black equals to 4, white equals to 5, yellow 6, yellow 6. Stop. Now, if you write that this is a variable, so this is a basically declaration. Okay, now if you declare any variable of these colors, means enum colors type variable, that is color. So this variable take the value from this constant, nothing other. We are just defined. Okay, these values are defined here. Now we take a variable of enum colors type. This col take the value from this constant, only this from this constant value. That means enumerated variable can hold only declared value. This is only declared value here for the types. That means enum colors type. Now go to our dev C++. I will show the code. This is our code basically. Okay, now as you are showing, I was just blocking this. Okay, by using double slash. I will escape one by one. Then printing what is the result. First, I'll escape this. Okay. Just okay. Now this is the thing. What I try to say that every this means this is a like identifiers. Okay, every identifiers have its own constant value. If we are not defining any value for red, blue, green, black, white, yellow, take that default value. It's starting from 0. That means red is assigned with 0, blue is assigned with 1, green is assigned with 2, black is assigned with 3, etc. Okay. So it's print that, then print main function. Total value are printed. We have printed red, blue, green, black, white, yellow. Click on execute, compile, then yes. That means red value is 0, or means automatically let's take the by default is take the this value with the constant. If this value is constant, if you are not giving any value, assigned any value, take from starting from 0. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the value of red? 0. What is the value of blue? 1. What is the value of green? 2. What is the value of black? 3. What is the value of white? 4. What is the value of yellow? 5. That is the thing. Okay. Now we are basically stop there and execute the next line. Okay. But this is the thing, as I will already show you that line on the slide. So here we assign the all identifiers value. Okay, that red is 1, blue is 2. So what is the value of printing? We check. Click on execute, compile, and run. As you are showing, if we are execute this value, this just is printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now again stop and open the last statement. Now this is our logic. Here just we are assigning the red identifier as 1. If you are not declare it, what is the value of taking? It is just taking, means just increasing. That means red value we are assigned 1, so obviously increase by 1. That means blue is assigned with 2, green is 3, black is 4, white is 5, yellow is 6. Right or wrong, we will check. Yes, yellow is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is basically uses of the enum enumeration. So our structure and union part are over. Okay. On my next video, I will start on the linked list. Okay. So thank you.